Oh, good morning. We're over in LS16 at Island Woods Primary School doing a bit of work. Jamie's got his high-vis on, so we'll do that. It's well booked day and Jamie's come as a worker. Alright, good morning. So first job Monday and we're in BD5, so it's just a little 0.9 feverage going up front of the bushes. Just going to get cracked on now. We're going to leave lads to it. Got loads to do today, so it's going to be going all the way down there and then just tying in with this existing gate what's on here, and then jump to the other side all the way down here. This is going to get trimmed back as well. I'm going to get as far into where the wall is as possible. So you got Jamie singing already. Someone's in a good mood. Good to see him not rough on a Monday. But yeah, I'm going to get off now, leave them to it, and we'll be back a bit later on today. Alright, so the 0.9 feverage, lads are just putting last posts in now. That's all the way around corner. It'll look nice once it's done. Capping on top. Yeah, I think they're going to have some dinner, come back and get it railed and feveraged up. Look good once it's done. I think lads are having a day off tomorrow, lucky them. So yeah, not looking bad. I've got a few bits to do. We've got an appointment and got to actually go pick up something as well later on today, so I best actually shoot and leave them to it. So good morning. We're over in LS16 at Island Woods Primary School doing a bit of work. Jamie's got his high-vis on. Everybody give him a little cheer. So this is what we're doing, 3 metre high twin. We're just putting the gate post in now, 2-day job, we'll get it done and then we'll have a look. So basically it's going from that wall there, already got the line out and the bar to the bar, and as you can see we're all cordoned off so we can work without anyone coming near us. Meddling kids. All the way to where you just see the corner of that brickwork just there, and then back into the wall. So we'll do that. It's well booked day and Jamie's come as a worker. That were his joke today. Joke at day for Jamie, that. But yeah, we'll crack on. We'll get all these posts in today and hopefully it's just panelling tomorrow. So, good morning. We're on Wednesday today. We're over in Morley doing a Palisade job today. So it's going to be a bit of a movement. We've got Marc with us as well. Me and Marc have got to go see a few jobs today, make sure everything's ready. Let's have a quick look. So all these are actually medical waste bins, so they couldn't actually move them. The only problem is you see where that Palisade post is, just there, we're actually tying onto there, so that means first job of the day, moving all these bins out of the way. Going to be coming off there, 2.4 high Palisade, all this old chain link's going to be coming down, and then we're going to be tying on just to the end there. No gates involved today, so it'll just be installation of the Palisade and then on to the next job. Going to wait for the lads to turn up now, and then we'll get cracked on. Right, so go on Jamie, how happy are you in rain, mate? Ecstatic he is for working in rain. Can't wait to get out of that van and get going, he said. So they're just moving bins for us now. Getting up, lads got tools and that. Me and Marc are going to get off in a second, leave them to it. Day job list, they'll have it in and out and bring all this takedown back to the yard, and we'll get out of here. So we talked them through it, they know what they're doing. 2-point high Palisade, galv, and it's tri-point. They'll have it in no time, these lads will. So yeah, we'll leave them to it. Jamie will get a video later and we'll give it a go. That's just giving him one of his lectures now. We're telling Jamie to keep his high vis on. Jamie, you and your high vis. I'm joking.